Hello and welcome back to Criminal IP's Search 101 series. Today, we will be covering methods on detecting multifunction printer pages, which are printer admin pages, exposed on the Internet. Since they bypass the need to be authenticated and are rife with personal information ready to be exploited, they are easy targets for hackers. The problem comes when files are not deleted right away. Users either copy the scanned files to a shared folder using the SMB protocol or after sending them by email. Furthermore, these admin pages were often found to be accessible without any login credentials whatsoever. This security vulnerability led MFP admin pages to become a major target for hackers and data thieves. We will show you how these admin pages are exposed on the Internet using Criminal IP search engine. Admin pages commonly operate on port 80 or 443, while MFP admin ports are designated specifically as port 631. Narrowing this down with keywords such as HP Color LaserJet MFP yields numerous open admin MFP pages. Here is an example of a vulnerable MFP page. As we can see here, this activity logs show private communication. Some of them, of course, can end up leaked. A good example of this as we can find by adding the string hacked and filtering via port 631 show MFP pages that have already been leaked. This admin page has already been hacked by someone and confidential information leaked. Overlooking printer security has its own set of issues, and while this problem is becoming well known, there are still many vulnerable admin pages at risk. We will see you again next time with another search tip.